In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Copilot responses to a Word or TXT file. This is super handy for those moments when you want to save or share some really insightful information you've received from your AI companion. So let's dive in step by step and make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's begin with accessing Microsoft Copilot. You'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Copilot website and log in if you aren't already. Once you're in, you can start a conversation or continue with an ongoing one. Make sure you've collected all the responses you wish to export because in just a few steps, they'll be on their way to a document. Now, once you have your Copilot responses on the screen that you'd like to export, the next thing you need to do is select the conversation text. To do this, simply highlight the text you want by clicking at the beginning of the text, holding down your mouse button, and dragging it to the end of the desired content. A smooth drag will ensure that you capture all necessary responses in your selection. With the text highlighted, you'll want to right-click on the highlighted section and select the Copy option from the drop-down menu. But if you're more into using shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, which is the universal shortcut for copying text, and this will have the same effect. Next, you're going to open your word processor or a text editor, depending on your preference. If you're going for Word, open Microsoft Word from your applications and start a new document. This is where you'll be pasting your Copilot responses. Alternatively, if you opt for a TXT file, use a simple text editor like Notepad. Open a new document and you'll find yourself ready to paste the text. Once your document is open, you right-click within the new document and select the Paste option. Again, for those who love keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+V and voila, your Copilot conversation is successfully pasted into your document. Take a moment to scroll through to ensure everything looks good and that nothing got left behind. If you've chosen Word, you can use all its tools to reformat and polish your text, while in a TXT file, it'll remain basic text. Once you're satisfied with how your document looks, don't forget to save it. Click on File, then Save As. Choose your preferred location and name your file appropriately. You'll want to make sure it's saved in a place where you can easily find it later for reference. There you have it, a complete guide to exporting your Microsoft Copilot responses to a Word or TXT file. I hope you found this helpful, and now you'll always have your crucial information on hand whenever you need